So in today's video on progressive development, I'm bringing you an electrifying moment that will redefine Ghana's agricultural future. The President John Mahama, through his wisdom and vision, decided to launch a coconut distribution project to further boost agricultural production in the Volta region. Hear me out, this project might not sound like much, but it's a revolution that promises to transform lives, empower farmers, and catapult Ghana into a global spotlight. You might be wondering how so stick with me till the end so I fill you in on how the distribution of coconut seedlings will transform the agricultural sector. You are in for a wild one. Before we progress, however, please hit the like button to continuously support this channel and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Let's get right into the details. President John Mahama, the current president of Ghana, has set the stage for an agricultural renaissance with the launch of this ambitious plan to distribute 3 million coconut seedlings to farmers across the country, starting with the Volta region. The initiative was unveiled in the heart of the Volta region, where it's starting from, to be a testament to the government's unwavering commitment to uplifting the rural communities and strengthening the agricultural sector. The Volta region was chosen because of its fertile soils and industrious farmers. It is the perfect launchpad for this transformative initiative. The project, though doesn't seem much, goes beyond planting just trees. It is sowing seeds for opportunity, creating sustainable jobs, and building a future where every farmer thrives as well. The excitement is palpable in the communities that understand the significance of this initiative by the president. The community is rallying behind this initiative, ready to harness the potential to drive economic growth. By John Mahama equipping the farmers with high-quality seedlings, the president is paving the way for Ghana to become a global leader in coconut production, which has a massive revenue stream. Boosting exports would aid the country generate revenue significantly, and it will also foster food security for the country Ghana. This is a defining moment, one that signals a brighter, more prosperous future for Ghana's agricultural heartland. Coconuts are more than just crops, they are a lifeline, often dubbed the tree of life for their incredible versatility. I bet you didn't know this. From refreshing coconut water to nutrient-rich oil, it contains fiber for crafts and even sustainable building materials. Coconuts actually hold a key for economic transformation. President John Mahama, seeing this, launched the initiative to tap into the potential, empowering the farmers to expand their operations and also tap into this lucrative local and international market, one that Ghana hasn't utilized to its fullest. The distribution of 3 million seedlings is no joke. That is to tell you that it's a strategic move to boost production. It will be creating wealth and ensuring long-term sustainability. In the Volta region especially, where the climate is ideal for coconut cultivation, the project is poised to turn their farms into thriving enterprises. The bustling market will be filled with coconuts that were supplied by John Mahama himself. The rural families will be enjoying the stable incomes as Ghana will be emerging as a global coconut hub, which is something profound and will be contributing significantly to the country's GDP. The initiative will be planting dreams, fostering innovation, and building a resilient economy that benefits every Ghanaian. Ghana is intending to tap into every aspect of agriculture, utilizing even coconuts that's often overlooked. At the heart of the initiative is the Volta Youth in Agriculture, a dynamic group of 166 passionate farmers, agrochemists, and business-minded youth based in Tokokoi, near the regional capital Ho. Their farm is a beacon of progress, strategically positioned to provide easy access to seedlings and expert support for farmers across the region. The Volta Youth in Agriculture, often abbreviated to VYA, is very thrilled about the coconut distribution project. They know the significance and see it as a catalyst for change that will elevate the existing 700 coconut trees to new heights. The initiative has sparked the fire of enthusiasm among members who are very united in their determination to drive agricultural innovation. They envision a bountiful harvest that not only transforms their community, but also contributes to Ghana's economic growth. The VYA is committed to the core and is very infectious to the people of the Volta region. It is inspiring to see young farmers embrace agriculture with renewed vigor. Their farm is very vast and is a symbol of hope for the people of the Volta region, especially the youth, as it has become a symbol in the Volta region to see young people venturing into agriculture and thriving. And they see the significance of the 3 million coconut seedling distribution by the President John Mahama. The VYA also made their voice heard that they are ready to lead the charge, turning the Volta region into a model of agricultural excellence. So for most part, in the Volta region, this project has been well received. The true power of President John Mahama's initiative also lies in the ability to transform lives, because for the coconut farmers in the Volta region and beyond, these 3 million seedlings will represent a lifeline for prosperity. It is totally free of charge, and farmers can now expand their operations, increase their yields, and also secure stable incomes to support their families as well. The project is poised to be a game changer, creating jobs not only for the farms, but also in processing, marketing, and export industries. Just as Ghana is now expanding this sector, it will be tapping into processing soon enough. That's the president's dream. The rural communities are now buzzing with excitement as they envision a future free from poverty. Where this project is driving economic empowerment, the VYE also emphasized that the initiative instills a deep sense of optimism, motivating the farmers to dream big and work hard, because by investing in coconut farmers, the government is building a foundation for sustainable growth, ensuring that every seedling planted today will grow into a legacy of prosperity tomorrow. This is agriculture done with dignity, providing opportunity and a brighter future for the farmers. The success of this initiative hinges on the collaboration. The VYA is calling on the government to provide ongoing support through training, resources, and infrastructure to ensure the project's sustainability. Because they know the essence of this project, but others need education on this matter. They also need training. The project is also inviting private businesses, NGOs, and community leaders to join this noble cause. The VYA Group has a bold plan to establish coconut farms across districts in the Volta region, and this already is showing how prosperous the initiative would be. It will be creating a network of agricultural hubs that will amplify the project's impact. By every facet of the sector working together, stakeholders can turn this vision into a reality, setting a gold standard for agricultural development in the country. The VYA's call to action is a rallying cry for unity, urging everyone to play a role in building a thriving and sustainable future. The coconut distribution project by the president is just the beginning for a coconut revolution in Ghana, boosting the economy and creating a new stream of income. The Volta region is set to become a powerhouse of agricultural innovation as the first region to benefit from this initiative. With the VYA, that's the Volta Youth in Agriculture, leading the charge. The Atokokoi farm is a model for what's possible when this project is seen through to completion, because other youth can engage in this endeavor. Plans are also underway to expand across the region. Farmers in areas like Anglo Afiadeniba are also contributing by offering quality seedlings, strengthening the supply chain. This initiative is a shining example of President John Mahama's vision for a prosperous Ghana. Agriculture is soon to drive growth and empower the communities. With every seedling planted, Ghana will be moving to become a global leader in coconut production, creating a legacy of abundance for generations to come. President John Mahama's launch of this coconut distribution project is lighting the way for a prosperous Ghana, one that feeds itself and also grants opportunities for the youth to engage in agriculture, at the same time boosting the economy as well. This is an underutilized sector, and the government is looking to exploit this for the betterment of the country, both as a source of employment and also as a source of economic gain. What are your thoughts on the distribution of 3 million seedlings by the government of Ghana, led by President John Mahama? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also hit the like button to inform others as well. Subscribe to our channel, share this video as it goes a long way to help disseminate insightful information. Together we can celebrate the farmers and visionaries, making Ghana's agricultural sector soar. Until next time, let's keep this buzz going. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.